What is up, guys? This week for Survival Jeep, we're going to be putting a new soft top on this Jeep and the uppers for the half doors. So what I did was I ordered my soft top. I was going to get the Smitty built one, but to be honest with you, I was trying to get it here pretty quick, and Amazon had a Sierra Off-Road one. It had like 2,000 good reviews, so we're going to go ahead. What might have been 2,000? I don't know, that might have been the radio I just bought, which is also coming up on future video. But anyway, it had a lot of good reviews, and I figured we'd give it a try. So let's go unbox it and start setting it on the Jeep. This is the radio, winch bag, upper door skins. Here's the windows, nice and tinted. It actually seems like a pretty well-made canvas as well. The other window. Back window. And of course, the top. Gotta get the frame back on here. And get those screws onto the front piece, which I happen to order right here. Nope. This was the winch bag. Maybe they went with the radio. Yep, they're in with the radio. That's not supposed to happen. Put the top on one-handed here. I accidentally set my fire extinguisher off when it fell back, but it's just dust. I'll be able to clean that up. Alrighty guys, so after that whole fire extinguisher went psh, all over, I had to push the Jeep out, I had to wash it, get all that dust off, and I finally got top on. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like at the end of this video, but I figured you already know how to put a top on because it's pretty simple. Comes with instructions if you need to. But this is the Sierra off-road top. This ain't no, I'm not giving them a shout out or anything. I'm just simply reviewing their product and putting it on my Jeep because I think the top cost me like $150 with the coupon, and then the uppers were like $90. So like under $300 for a whole soft top. I'll leave those products linked in the description below, but it went on easy. Seems pretty well made. Window tint's nice, and you can see out of it good. So we'll see over the years how it holds up. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And to finish it off, go take a look at the finished product. Thank you all for watching. That's just my hammock still up there, but you can see pretty damn good out the window tint.